Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mr. Ring-a-Ding. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start with a curve up and bring it down. Now top in and let's draw an oval in the center for the nose. And add two small ovals inside. And then let's add a small curve on top. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's draw two long ovals for the eyes. And then let's add another oval inside each one. And color both of these in black. Now let's move on top of each eye and let's draw a curve for the eyebrows. Now that we're done the upper part of the face, let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start underneath on both sides and let's draw a curve out and bring it down. And then a curve across the bottom to close off the head. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a curve at the top. And then for the ends, let's curve it out and down. And again, a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's add the teeth. Let's start with a line down in the center, and then two more on both sides. And that's it for the mouth. Now we're going to hop to the sides and we're going to draw a curve up and down for the ears. And then let's add another curve inside. Now next to the ears here, let's add the hair. Let's step up and let's draw a curve out and down. And then two more in the same way on both sides. Lastly, for the head, let's add the hat. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up and back down. And then add two angles on top and a curve across the top. And then let's hop in and let's draw another curve. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Under the head, we're going to draw the collar with a curve out and bring it in, leaving a gap in the center. And then let's draw two lines down. Now inside, let's add two more angles for the neck. Now underneath, we're going to draw the bow. Let's start with a square in the center here. And then curve it up, down, and back in on both sides. Now on top of the bow, we're going to draw two angles down to finish off the collar. Now underneath the bow, let's draw a curve down, out, and bring it in at the bottom. Now inside, let's draw a V-shaped point at the top, and then one up from the bottom. And add a circle in the center. Now on both sides, we're going to draw the collar to the jacket. Let's draw a V-shaped point out near the top here, an angle underneath, and then bring it back in. Now near the bottom, let's draw a wavy line out and down for the sides of the jacket. And then curve it back up at the bottom. Now let's hop to the sides and let's draw the arms. Let's draw 2 curves out and curve it back in. And then at the ends, let's draw a rectangle. And then a curve in for the top of the hands. Next, underneath, let's draw a curve down and in. And then one more bump underneath for the fingers. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop underneath and draw the legs. Let's start with 2 angled lines down on the left and 2 on the right. And close them off at the bottom. Now next to the legs here, let's finish off the jacket by curving it up on both sides. Now at the bottom, let's draw the feet. Let's start with a curve out, and then another bump next to it. Now let's hop back in underneath the pant legs, and we're going to draw a curve down, bring it up, and around. And then let's curve it over and back up to close off the feet. And that's it for Mr. Ring-a-Ding. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!